Hello, friends. Hope you are doing good. In today's lesson, I'm going to brief you about the correct and incorrect sentences. Playing in the ground, a wasp stung the child. While the child played in the ground, a wasp stung the child. Coming out, he found his cycle there no more. As he came out, he found his cycle there no more. Watering the plants, the clouds thundered. When I was watering the plants, the clouds thundered. Quarreling among themselves, the fathers separated the sons. When the sons quarreled among themselves, the fathers separated the sons. Winding the wristwatch, I saw her walking along the road. When I wound the wristwatch, I saw her walking along the road. Lying in the bed, the telephone rang. When I lay in the bed, the telephone rang. Reaching in time, the show began. Reaching in time, I saw the show began. Driving a car, a boy was knocked down. While I was driving a car, a boy was knocked down. Our technology is keeping pace with our industry. Our technology is keeping pace with our industry. I was present there from start to end. I was present there from start to finish. It is no use to spill hairs. It is no use to split hairs. Keep such bad elements on arm's length. Keep such bad elements at arm's length. You will understand the matter by the by. You will understand the matter by and by. Don't have many irons in the fire. Don't have too many irons in the fire. The chief guest gave the prizes. The chief guest gave away the prizes. The station is at stone's throw of my house. The station is within a stone's throw of my house. The leaders were busy blowing their trumpets. The leaders were busy blowing their own trumpets. Of late he has fallen of grace. Of late he has fallen from grace. I shall have success with dint of merit. I shall have success by dint of merit. It is no use weeping over spilt milk. It is no use crying over spilt milk. It is cats and dogs raining. It is raining cats and dogs. I will leave no stone untouched to get success. I will leave no stone unturned to get success. Because of his evil ways, he is sure to go to dog. Because of his evil ways, he is sure to go to dogs. I warned him again and again. I warned him again and again. Prime ministership is not a bed of blossoms. Prime ministership is not a bed of roses. I took him in task for coming late. I took him to task for coming late. I feel shy with that relative because he happens to be black sheep. I feel shy of that relative because he happens to be black sheep. All my plans ended in fire. All my plans ended in smoke. I know ups and outs of the whole affair. I know ins and outs of the whole affair. I gave him a piece of my tongue. I gave him a piece of my mind. Why are you ill at comfort? Why are you ill at ease? Of late, they are at cross purposes. Of late, they are at cross purposes. I hope now you will turn a new leaf. I hope now you will turn over a new leaf. So that's all for today. Hope to see you again. Bye.